Good evening, everyone. This is Swatik Maiti from the team Tech Enthus, and the topic that we have chosen for this hackathon is signs of burnout. The main aim of the project is to identify the signs of employee burnout and help the different HR departments of various companies to figure out whether their employees are burned out or not. Also, as an extension to this project, we have created a website which will help us to implement the project, which will help us to run the machine learning algorithms that's running in the backend and to show the company the results. Okay, so let's start. My teammates have already explained how the backend works, how they have implemented the machine learning models to figure out which of these employees are burned out and which are not. So as a continuation, let me explain the front end of how we are implementing this. So let us see this website. I have made this website. We have made this website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, just the very basics. And for the backend of this website, we have used a very recent technology called Google Firebase, and the authentication is done by Google Firebase. As you can see, these are the registered users in the Google Firebase. I'll be showing you right from the start of how this website looks and how anyone can very easily operate it. So let's see the sign up process. You fill your email. I'm just filling a test email right now, so that's test123 at gmail.com, and we can choose a password. For simplicity's sake, let's say 123456. Let's put a name. Let the name be Mr. Manager, and a one-line bio, could be anything. So hello everyone, and sign up. As you can see, this straight up brings us to the dashboard page where which the HR manager will see. Now before exploring this page, let me show you what happens in the backend. As soon as we have initiated this sign up process, we can do the reload, and we'll see that this test123 at gmail.com has been added to the backend. So this shows that the authentication is actually working. Now let's move on. We'll log out first and we'll log in again just to show the login process works. Test123 at gmail.com, and this is the password 123456. Alright, working perfectly. Now let's explore this page in details. Now as you can see, this is the manager. We can see the Mr. Manager, then whatever the name that we have implemented while signing in, it's going to show up here from the backend. It's going to read the backend and show up here. And this is the most important part of these projects. This whole project is these four graphs that we are trying to show. Now over here you can see the pie chart, or this is actually called a donut chart if you're being very specific. Now what it shows is the total employees and how the employees are differentiated between whether they're likely to get burned out or whether they're actually burned out or whether they're perfectly fine, they're healthy employees. So as you can see from the database that we have taken and we have calculated using the machine learning algorithms, that 49% of the data of the employees data set that we have been using, the employees are perfectly healthy, they are mentally healthy. 41% of them are pretty likely to get burned out in the near future, but they're good to go as of now. And 10% of these employees are completely burned out, and I'll be telling you how these are predicted, like the rate, how has been told by my teammates already of how they're predicting it, but I'll be telling you the rate that which tells them that employee is burned out or not. So to be specific, 0.0 to 0.45 shows that the employee is perfectly fine. That's the burn rate I'm talking about. You can see the burn rate of the employees here. So if an employee is between 0.0 to 0.45, the employee is perfectly fine. Between 0.45 to 0.7, the employee is likely to get burned out. So as you can see, this employee here, we have shown sample employees here. We can see Mike T over here has a burn rate of 0.55, and he has a yellow color. That's just to mark out that he belongs to this zone. So it shows that he is likely to get burned out. And any employee with the burn rate of above 0.7, like Adam W and Danny D here, you can see that they have burn rates of above 0.7, so they are burned out. They belong to this 10% category. Moving on to this work from home that we have shown here, it just shows that how many people are working from home and how many are not. That's just the database graphs, that count graphs that we have created. Same for gender, male and female, just to show the HR manager, as these are very useful HR details for an HR manager, employee details for an HR manager. So we have shown these. And now coming to the burn rate distribution, which is an interactive graph, which is an interactive area graph to be precise. Now this part over here shows the number of employees, and here is the burn rate distribution. So right from 0.1 to the maximum burn rate that's possible, that's 1. So 0 to 1, we have shown how the burn rates are distributed between these employees. And like it's not a very surprising thing to see that most of the employees fall between the range of 0.45 to 0.6, whereas a very few have above 0.7 are burned out. So you can see that. And that would be the end of the presentation. As you can see that we have made the working. Now how these things are connected is that the backend we are using a machine learning model, like I said, using Python, and we have made an API using Flask. And with those APIs we have connected it to the database, and from the database from the data that we have put in the database, we are getting these results out. So as you can see, the product is completely ready to be marketable. It could be made better obviously, but it is a good product, a good prototype for a product. And that would be the end of the presentation. Let's log out and we'll be getting back to the main page. Yes, thank you and have a nice day.